Viewers, welcome to Hajjady Maths Class. Today I'll be solving this Olympiad question. Now we have, if this equals to 7, find x over y plus y over x. Then doing this, I'm going to make use of this particular rule that says that if you have a plus b all squared, this is going to give you a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So applying this rule, then I'm going to square this. So now by squaring this, I'm going to have x over y plus y over x squared. So this is going to be my a, while this is going to be my b. So now applying this rule, I'm going to have x over y squared plus y over x squared plus 2a, which is x over y, multiplied by my b, which is y over x. Now looking at this, we can cancel out our x. Okay, we can cancel out the x and we can cancel out the y by dividing by both sides. Okay, so after that, this expression can be written as x to the power of 2 over y to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 over x to the power of 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1, which is the same thing as 2. Now looking at what we have here, we can see that this is the same thing as the given question, which is the same thing as 7. Okay, now this can be written as x over y plus y over x squared equal 7 plus 2, because this is 7. Now this is the same thing as 9. Okay, now finding the square root of both sides. Okay, finding the square root of the left and the right hand side, I'm going to have x over y plus y over x equal the square root of 9, because I need to square root both sides to remove the square. Now finding the square root of 9 is going to be plus or minus 3. So that means the answer to this is plus or negative 3. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to share with your friends. See you next time.